Hello dear students, I am going to explain chapter 18 Robot Ki Hartal means strike of robot. Here is the story. अरुण के पापा बड़े इंजीनियर थे. Arun's father, he was great engineer. वे तरह तरह के रोबोट यंत्र मानव बनाते थे. वे means Arun's father, he was making different types of robot. The robot, what is called in Hindi, यंत्र मानव. अरुण के पापा ने घर का काम करने के लिए means Arun's father for doing the housework आदमियों की तरह काम करने वाला एक रोबोट तैयार किया था. Arun's father, he has made a robot which was doing the work like human being. यह रोबोट केवल आदमियों की तरह काम ही नहीं करता था. That robot was not only working like human being, बल्कि आदमियों की तरह सोचता भी था. And that robot even was thinking like human being. जैसे ही सुबह होती, when it was becoming morning, रोबोट पलंग पर बेसुध सोए अरुण को उठा देता. The robot was waken up to the Arun who was sleeping unconscious. Means he was sleeping with a deep sleep. उसके लिए नाश्ता तैयार कर देता. And even he was preparing refreshment for Arun. स्कूल के बस्ते में किताबें लगा देता. And even in school bag, the robot was arranging the books. अरुण को कपड़े थमा देता. And the robot was giving clothes to the Arun. रात को अरुण जब बिस्तर पर लेट जाता, at night when the Arun was lying on the bed, तो उसे तरह तरह की मनोरंजक कहानियाँ भी सुनाता था. And the robot, he was sharing interesting stories with Arun. यहाँ तक कि रोबोट अरुण के साथ कैरम और लूडो भी खेल लेता था. Even the robot, he was playing carom and ludo with Arun. अरुण को पापा का बनाया यह रोबोट बहुत प्रिय था. अरुण, he was liking too much to the robot, that robot which was made by his father. रोबोट भी अरुण से काफ़ी घुल मिल गया था. Even robot, he was too much mingled with अरुण. सही बात तो यह है कि रोबोट अरुण का खास दोस्त बन गया था. The true thing is that the robot, he became the special friend, very close friend to the अरुण. घर के सभी लोग रोबोट से खूब काम लेते थे. घर के सभी लोग, all the members of the house, they were taking too much work from the robot. बेचारा सीधा सा रोबोट दौड़कर सारे काम करता. That robot which was too innocent, he was doing every work. लेकिन किसी को उस पर जरा भी तरस नहीं आता था. But किसी को means the house members, no one, they had little pity also on robot. अरुण का भाई मिक्कू तो रोबोट को खूब परेशान करता. Arun's brother Mikku, he was traveling to the robot. कभी कहता, रोबोट मेरे साथ पतंग उड़ाने छत पर चलो. Sometimes that Mikku, Arun's brother, he was saying, you come with me to the roof of the building for the flying the kite. मेरी चरखी थामो. And sometimes he was saying that you hold my spool. कभी कहता, and sometimes he was saying that मेरे पैर दबाओ, you massage my leg. रोबोट मिक्कू सहित परिवार के सभी लोगों का काम करते करते थक चुका था. The robot, including Mikku, he was doing all the family members' work. Okay, By doing family members' work, he became tired. एक दिन रोबोट ने कुछ नया करने की ठान ली. One day, robot has decided to do something new. रोबोट ने अखबारों में आदमियों की खबरें खूब पढ़ी थी. That robot, he has read in the newspaper about human beings. उसने अरुण के मुंह से महात्मा गांधी द्वारा अनशन व्रत करने और असहयोग आंदोलन की कहानियां भी सुन रखी थी. उसने, that means robot, from the Arun's mouth has heard the stories about hunger strike and the indefinite movement which was done by महात्मा गांधी. बस रोबोट ने हड़ताल करने की ठान ली. And then the robot, he has decided to do the strike. रोबोट ने कार्डबोर्ड की तख्ती तैयार की. रोबोट has prepared the strip of cardboard और उस पर लिख दिया. And then he wrote on that strip, अनिश्चितकालीन हड़ताल, that is indefinite strike. रोबोट ने यह तख्ती सामने रखी पट्टी पर रख दी. And then the robot, that wooden slab, he kept on the strip. अब जब भी कोई रोबोट से काम के लिए कहता, and then whenever the house member they were saying to do some work to the robot कार्डबोर्ड की तख्ती की ओर इशारा कर देता. Then robot, he was indicating to the cardboard, that cardboard which was kept on the strip. काम करना तो उसने बिल्कुल ही बंद कर दिया. And then काम करना means the doing the work, he has completely stopped. घर के सभी लोग जल्दी ही परेशान हो गए. And then all the members of the house, very soon they became upset. काम करने की आदत तो किसी को नहीं थी. The habit of doing the work no one has. क्योंकि घर का सारा काम तो रोबोट ही कर लेता था. Because every work of the house were done by the robot. जब रोबोट ने हड़ताल कर दी तो घर के आलसी सदस्यों को नानी याद आ गई. When the robot has done the strike, then all the lazy members of the house, they remember to their maternal mother. अरुण तो बहुत परेशान था. Then Arun, he was more upset. मिक्कू का हाल भी बुरा था. And then Mikku's condition also was bad. अरुण ने पापा को रोबोट की हड़ताल के बारे में बताया. And then Arun, he has informed to his father about the strike of robot. पापा खूब हंस पड़े. And when his father, he heard about the strike of robot, then he laughed and told, अच्छा अब रोबोट भी हड़ताल करने लगे. His father told, now robot also they are doing the strike. पापा रोबोट के पास गए और बोले. And then father, he went near to the robot and told, robot, तुम हड़ताल पर क्यों बैठ गए? He told to the robot that why you are sitting on strike. क्या तुम्हें कोई परेशानी है? Do you have any trouble? Robot बोला. Robot he replied. Robot told, घर के सभी लोग मुझसे बहुत काम लेते थे. घर के सभी लोग, all the members of the house, they were taking lots of work from me. आराम का जरा भी मौका नहीं देते. And they are not giving little chance also to take rest. मिक्कू तो बहुत परेशान करता है. And then मिक्कू, he is traveling too much. यह बात तो ठीक है. His father told, okay, what you are saying it is correct. लेकिन but अगर रोबोट भी आदमियों की तरह हड़ताल करने लगेंगे। If robot also like human being they are doing the strike, तो आदमी और रोबोट में फर्क ही क्या रह जाएगा? Then what will be difference between human being and robot? हड़ताल करना तो आदमियों की बुरी आदत है, and then doing of a strike that is a bad habit of human being. तुम रोबोट होकर इसे क्यों अपनाते हो? And then you being a robot, why you are accepting this? अगर कोई परेशानी है तो मुझे बताओ. And then if you have any trouble, then you tell me. मैं दूर करूँगा. And then I will remove it. रोबोट सोचने लगा. Then robot he started to think. हड़ताल तो आदमी करते हैं. The हड़ताल, the strike, it is done by human being. फिर उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई भी होती है. Then against to them, against to human being, there is a action also. मैं रोबोट होकर इस बुरी आदत को क्यों अपनाऊं? Me being a robot, why should I accept this bad habit? बस रोबोट ने हड़ताल खत्म कर दी. Then robot he stopped the strike. घर के सभी लोगों ने अपनी खुशी जाहिर की. And then all the house members they disclose their happiness. अरुण तो मारे खुशी के रोबोट से लिपट ही गया. And then Arun, because of more happiness, he hugged to the robot. पापा ने मिक्कू को डांट लगाई. And then father he has scolded to the मिक्कू. मिक्कू तुम जानते नहीं. The मिक्कू you don't know. रोबोट एक मशीन है. The robot is a machine. उससे वही काम लेना चाहिए. We should take only those works from the robot जिसके लिए उसे बनाया गया है. For which it is made. फिर रोबोट हमारे नौकर नहीं मित्र है. Robot is not our servant. It is our friend. बात मिक्कू की समझ में आ गई. And then मिक्कू he understood everything. फिर घर के किसी सदस्य ने रोबोट को तंग नहीं किया. And then all the members of the house they did not disturb to the robot. Thank you.